Hey grillers, Chris Lilly here, pitmaster and partner of Big Bob Gibson BBQ in Decatur, Alabama. For the past 10 years, whether I'm cooking at home for my family or competing on the circuit, I never light a grill without GrillGrates on it. GrillGrates work on any grill. They tame flare-ups on gas grills, allow for more direct cooking on charcoal, and provide a true sear and sizzle on pellet grills. Drippings are captured right under the food, giving you even more grilled flavor and moisture. Use marinades in the valleys. Even use pellets or wood chips in the valleys for added smoke. You just can't do this on a regular grill surface. No more charred chicken or dried out burgers. Food is grilled to perfection every time. And wait till you flip them over for grilled bacon, smash burgers, and scallops. And they're made in the USA, which is really important to me. Take your grilling game to the next level with GrillGrates. Visit GrillGrate.com to find the perfect set for any grill.